The firm is expected to employ a larger and newer 50-megapixel Samsung GN2 sensor and switch to a 64-megapixel ultra-wide shooter on the Pixel 8 Pro for superior imaging performance, according to all the Google Pixel 8 Pro leaks that have been released so far. The upgrades won't be restricted to the hardware alone, as Google intends to introduce a new camera UI on its 2023 Pixels, and a recent leak provides a good glimpse of the updated interface. As part of the makeover, Google is debating moving the gallery button and camera switch around. While this may annoy longtime Pixel users, it should be a welcome adjustment as it would generally be simpler to press the camera switch button since Samsung and iPhones both have a similar control arrangement. A redesign of Google's camera applications UI has been long overdue, particularly to handle all the extra modes and capabilities that Pixel phones have acquired since the Pixel 4's release in 2019. It is still unknown whether previous Pixel phones will get the new Google Camera UI. To access the settings menu in the current Google Camera release, swipe down on the viewfinder. In the future, this action will be reversed, requiring users to swipe up on the screen. The Pixel 8 Pro is expected to feature a 6.7-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, according to further specifications. The device will be run by a Titan security chip in Tau and a Google Tensor G3 SoC. While the standard model is set to come with merely 128GB of storage, there may be two options, both having 12GB of RAM. The more expensive choice will probably come with 256GB of storage. A 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, a 64-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel telephoto camera are reportedly among the Pixel 8 Pro's imaging choices. An 11-megapixel picture sensor is anticipated on the front of the device for selfies and video calls. The device is set to include a 4,950 mAh battery, support for 27-watt wired charging, and come pre-installed with Android 14. Additionally, the tweet seems to corroborate prior claims that the phone would feature a temperature sensor and an ultrasonic fingerprint reader. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.